In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Tesla app. First, let's start by locating the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can usually find it in your app drawer or on your home screen. It is represented by a colorful triangle icon. Tapping on this icon opens the store, where millions of apps are available for download. This is your gateway to accessing the Tesla app and many others that can enhance your device's functionality. Once the Play Store loads, you will see various featured apps and categories. This step is crucial because it ensures you are downloading from a trusted source. Next, in the search bar at the top of the Google Play Store, type the word Tesla and hit the search icon. This action prompts the store to display a list of apps related to your search query. As you type, suggestions may appear, making it easier to find the app you need. Watching the search results appear will confirm that you are on the right track. This is an important step because finding the right app ensures that you will have access to all the features designed for Tesla vehicles. Once the search results load, look for the official Tesla app. You will recognize it by the logo, which features a stylized letter T. It's important to select the app developed by Tesla Inc., as this guarantees you are downloading the authentic application. Be cautious of any similarly named apps that are not from the official developer. Selecting the correct app means you will receive updates and support directly from Tesla, ensuring a smoother experience in the long run. Now tap on the official Tesla app to open its detailed page. Here you will see information about the app, including user ratings and reviews. Take a moment to read through these to gauge the experiences of other users. This page also contains information about the app's features and the latest updates. Once you confirm that this is the right app, you can proceed to install it. This step is important because it sets the stage for using your Tesla vehicle more conveniently through your mobile device. To install the app, simply tap the green Install button. The app will begin downloading and installing on your device. You will see a progress bar indicating how much of the download is complete. This process typically takes just a few moments, and once it's done, you will see the app icon appear on your home screen or in your app drawer. This action is crucial as it ensures that you have the Tesla app ready for use, making your life easier with quick access to your vehicle's features. After the installation is complete, tap the app icon to open the Tesla app. You will be greeted with a login screen where you need to sign in. Enter your Tesla account email and password in the designated fields. If you don't have an account, it's essential to create one on the Tesla website first. This account is necessary for accessing various services, including vehicle management and software updates. Creating an account ensures that all your vehicle data is secure and easily accessible from your mobile device. Once you are signed in, the app may prompt you to pair your phone as a key if your vehicle supports this feature. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete this process. Pairing your phone allows you to unlock and start your Tesla without needing a traditional key. This step enhances the convenience and modernity of your driving experience, showcasing the innovation Tesla is known for. Finally, after completing the pairing process, you will be ready to explore all the features the Tesla app has to offer. Enjoy the seamless integration between your phone and vehicle. This app allows you to monitor your car's status, control charging, and access navigation features right from your pocket. Knowing how to use the app effectively can greatly enhance your Tesla ownership experience.